Well, the unrest really played a crucial role, Koli, and of course we're expecting it to be factored in. But the SG really will be briefing the nation on the outcomes of his recent survey, and of course with the impact of COVID-19, which have already exacerbated, Koli, the compounded challenges that South Africa currently, at this current form, finds itself in economically. It would be very much interesting to see the numbers. Of course, young people, in particular women, black women in the country, would have been very much disheartened after seeing the numbers of the previous 3 quarters when the SG had announced that. So in fact, you'd have seen how it has been a jobs bloodbath in the country. So the country has the highest official unemployment rate in the world currently, Koli. Very disheartening. And South Africa's unemployment rate rose from 34%, and it came above, and you would see that it really came to hurt the country at the current stage. So, as you rightfully put it, the economists will be coming through really to entertain and see the numbers as they are at this current stage. But what we are also expecting at this current stage, as the SG will be coming through, is really to share with us the stats that incomparable to the data of 2008 amid the worsening pandemic crisis, and also reflecting the July week of deadly unrest and the looting that has cost the country billions of rand and more job losses. Koli, the number of unemployed persons really jumped from about 584,000 to about 7.8 million. On the other side of employment fell by about 54,000 to around 15 million. So equally, the labor force went up by around 530,000 to 22.8 million. So that in itself is very much excruciating. So the expanded definition of unemployment, including the people who have stopped looking for work, was at about 44%, up from 43% in the prior period. So the youth unemployment rate, measuring job seekers on the youth, also hit a new record high of about 64%. Let me give you a little bit further stats, Koli, before I hand back to you. Since December 2008, unemployment has increased by 6 million, from 6 million to about 11.9 million. So that's what the stats SA unemployment rate has been giving us. 74% are young black people, 53%, of course, in particular, young black females in the country. So we wait to hear from the SG Risenga Maluleke in a short while, in the 11 o'clock hour, as you rightfully put it, as he'll be giving us those stats. Very excruciating. Young people are currently continuing to lose their jobs, and all this exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic. And even before the lockdown in itself, there has just been a trajectory, a downward spiral trajectory, as far as the economic growth and its prospects to grow in our country. Koli?